RODA Group, world leader in fruit grading machines managed by the Blanc family, acquired the fruit station and orchards of the Domaine de la Moutounade in Bressel in the Tarn-et-Garonne 15 years ago, with the exclusive aim of testing their equipment in real conditions, with fruit grown on site, in order to be able to show their machines to customers from all over the world in a showroom on an industrial scale.
Our needs were to continue our cold production during their installation. They managed to do this by installing a temporary outdoor unit that allowed us to switch between the two facilities without disruption.
In 2019, QUERCY Refrigeration stood out thanks to its innovative HDCold system and its ecological approach to using the low GWP global warming potential fluid 1234ZR, which reduces the impact on the environment, being quite safe, easy to use thanks to its very low pressures and offering better energy efficiency.
The problems linked to its use were that it was a 20-year-old ammonia installation, which required a lot of maintenance, a little more every year, and this installation only produced cold, so we also needed electricity and fuel for all our other needs.
MAF RODA chose QUERCY Refrigeration because of its innovative and serious approach and its innovative technical proposals, which corresponded perfectly to their needs. However, MAF RODA imposed a commitment to reduce effective electricity consumption and to ensure the continuity of the site production during the installation period.
So the arguments that were put forward during the negotiations with Moutounade were easy to find. We had an aging ammonia installation with fairly heavy maintenance. We were subject to quite a few regulations. We also had problems linked to water consumption and to the significant expenses we had for the treatment of the water. So we proposed a solution with another fluid, 1234ZR, which had better performance. We set up a heat recovery system to save on fuel oil consumption. And we equipped the compressors and pumps with variators. And this really allows us to have flexibility in the operation of the installation and to use it rationally. We equipped 8 cold rooms with the HDCold system. We replaced the old NH3 production with 1234ZR chillers. The advantage of 1234ZR is that it has a low GWP and also works on low pressures. Indeed, they are equipped with a tubular exchanger with a DT of 1.5. The compressors, condensers and pumps are varied. The condenser has a DT of 6. All this allows us to have very good COP and to allow our customers to make energy savings. We have been using the 1234ZR fluid since 2014. This fluid is very easy to use and has very good efficiency. We have switched to a system that is much more modern and innovative, with a new gas which is 1234ZR, new Stefani brand evaporators, and a QUERCY refrigeration team that is really very technical. The result of the HDCold conversion is a better cold conversion. No defrosting and a constant and maximum humidity rate throughout the conservation, therefore no water loss on the fruits.
In view of the results of the first year of operation, the contract was honoured between the MAF RODA site at La Moutounade and the QUERCY refrigeration installation, without having to stop production of the site. Electricity consumption was reduced, and fuel oil requirements were divided by 4. In addition, the preservation of the apples in the HDCold chambers has been greatly improved.
We would like to thank the QUERCY refrigeration teams for the work carried out on the Moutounade site, with all the constraints that we were able to give them. After a year of use, we can see the effectiveness of the HDCold system on our apples.
QUERCY Refrigeration, the choice of optimal technical solutions for the preservation and storage of foodstuffs.